Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create another Gmail account. So as you can see here, I've already logged into my account, and then if you want to make another account or create another account, you can just click on your profile icon at the Gmail at the top right here, and then you'll see the option and add another account. To create it, just click on this and you'll be directed to this page, the accounts.google.com. and then if you want to make a new Gmail account, you can just click on create account, and you can choose whether you want to create it for yourself, for your child, or to manage your business. I'm going to create it for myself, for example. And then the next step is you just need to type in your first name, your last name, the username or your email address that you want, and then also the password here. And when you're done, just click on next, and your the other Gmail account that you want will be created. Okay, so that's it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.